Uno Attack, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Load the draw pile face down into the card launcher. Every time you need to draw a card, press the launcher button one time for each card needing to be drawn. The launcher will make a sound when the button is pressed correctly. If you correctly press and nothing happens, then you do not draw any cards. If cards shoot out, then you add those cards to your hand. You may not play any playable cards that shoot out of the launcher on the turn they shot out. The new action cards are Discard All. Discard all cards of the same color with the Discard All card on top. Hit 2. The next player hits the launcher button twice, then ends their turn. Wild Hit 4. This card is a wild and forces the next player to hit the launcher button 4 times, then end their turn. Wild Attack Attack. Pick a color, then pick any other player in the game to attack. That player must hit the launcher button twice, then ends their turn and play continues from them in the current direction. At the end of the round, Hit 2 is worth 20 points, Discard All is worth 30, Wild Hit 4 is worth 40, and Wild Attack Attack is worth 50.